In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access the itch.io feed in just a couple of simple steps. If you use itch.io to discover games, follow creators, or keep up with the latest updates, this is one of the easiest features to find once you know where to look. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software and website tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the itch.io website. You can type itch.io into the address bar and press enter, or use your saved bookmark if you already have one. Once the homepage loads, take a look at the top of the page. Itch.io has a navigation menu across the top, and this is where you'll find the main sections of the site. Now from the top menu, click on Feed. This will take you to your itch.io feed, where you can see updates, activity, and content related to the accounts and games you follow. It's a useful place if you want a more personalized view of what's happening on the platform without searching through the site manually. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're on the main site page and that the top navigation bar is visible. Sometimes the menu layout can shift a little, depending on your screen size, but the feed option should still be in the top navigation area. Just click it once and you'll be brought straight to the feed page, and that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to access the itch.io feed in a few quick clicks. If this video helped, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our next tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.